Good afternoon, everybody. Um, Pirate Queen Anne of Geneva here. Today we are. Good afternoon, everybody. Pirate Queen Anne of Geneva here, better known as Neapolitan Gal. Today we are showing you where to find the elder trees. Never mind that I'm poisoned right now, but it'll be just fine. Today I'm showing you where all the elder trees are in Runescape. There really are only, let's take a look. There are only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elder trees in the whole game. And that's a big game. I mean, take a look at this map. Out of this entire map, there are 10 elder trees, and that's it. I'm currently working on my fletching, so I've been chopping elder trees because it is the highest one that I can fletch right now. So this is the Varrock lodestone, and I'm going to turn my camera this way and up, and we're going to run this way. So we're going to be heading due east of the lodestone, and you'll see these tree icons over here in this map here. That just means that there are special trees. So the one means that there are these maple trees, other means there's this elder tree. Elder trees give you 5 minutes to chop them and then 10 minutes rest. So then you can go to one of the other elder trees. So our next elder tree we're going to go to is over here in Edgeville. Now for Edgeville, we're going to go south of the Slayer ruins, just north of Barbarian Village. I always try to rotate myself north so I can, make it a little easier for you guys to see. We're going to run south. The tree is just beyond these ruins here. There's the bank. Just beyond the ruins here for the Slayer. This is a vampire that's part of one of the quests. And this tree right down here I've just clicked on is the elder tree in this area. So we're going to run over here. I'll turn you guys so you can see where we're going. And there's the elder tree. Now, the elder trees are kind of an interesting tree in this game. Every other tree disappears right down to the bottom when you're done cutting on it. This one, just the big fat branches and the little lead branches disappear for 10 minutes when it's depleted. So our next, I'm going to go ahead and rotate north again. Our next one is going to be Draenor Village. The nice thing with having that many but scattered is that while you're waiting on the one tree to finish regenerating, you can just pop around Runescape and go to the other tree. Draenor Village will be south of here, so I'm going to face my camera south while I'm running, and we'll go down to the street level. All right. Now, where we're going is going to be north of here. I'm sorry, south of here. Just north of the Wizard's Tower. So I'll show you where we're going. Just past the bank and the jail. And there's Wizard's Tower. And lo and behold, there is another elder tree right there at the base of the bridge. Okay. I mean, it's so close to Port Sarum you can see the ships. Well, the ship masts, really. Okay, so our next one is actually just going to be a hop, skip, and a jump from here. We're actually going to go back to the Draenor Village lodestone. The other closest one to the tree we're going to now would be Seers Village. You would just have to run north versus south. So we're going to go back to the Draenor lodestone, and we're going to head west and then north. Okay, so we're going to go this way. And we're going to go just north of the cabbage field here. So I'll click out here. I'll end up running through the cabbage field. And this is the farm just south of Falador. And there is our other tree, as you can see. Now our next Remington, south of the Crafting Guild. Now we can run from here, or I can just teleport over to Port Sarum, which is probably where I'm going to go. I'll walk here, I'm going to teleport to Port Sarum. And this time we're going to face our camera west and run right over here, just beyond where that building is. And again, whenever you're trying to find these special trees, you can always watch your map up on the right-hand side here, where I have mine at, but yours is, obviously may be someplace different. I just like to have everything right there. Just beyond the village is a farming plot, and then you'll see two trees. One is for yews, Y-E-W, and the other is for this elder tree. And there's our elder tree. So our next tree is going to be over here by Sears Village. You can do the Sears Village, you can do Ardong, or you can do Catherby, or you can even do a Camelot teleport, but we're just going to go to Sears Village. And this one is south of Sears Village, west of Keep LaFay, north of the Legends Guild. Alright, so we're going to orient ourselves south this time, and we're going to run this direction. And again, just watch for these little trees on here. These are magic trees, these are maple trees. This is where the beekeeper and the flax are, and we're just going to run right up here. See the divination spot right here with the glowing wisps, and there's our elder tree. Alright, so our next elder tree on the list of all lists is going to be Yanil. So we're going to hit the lodestone again. We're going to go to the battle axe, Yanil. So this time we're going to face south, and we're going to run south. And then we're going to run east, and right over here you'll see there's also a crystal tree and an elder tree. There's our elder tree. Now, to give you some sort of an idea of where this one really is, I believe this is Feldip Hills right here. Nope, this is Gutanoth. Feldip Hills is over here. So that way you kind of have an idea where you are. There's the Wizard's Guild, not the Wizard's Tower. Alright, so where are we going next? We are Terranwyn, south of Letty. Now this one is where I got poisoned at. So if you're a lower level player, which I am definitely not, I would absolutely recommend taking a anti-venom with you. Anti-poison, I mean. So let's click on this. And we're going to go to the Tiranan lodestone. Now there's two obstacles in your way to get to the next tree. So if you look on the map over here where my mouse is, you'll see the symbol for mining. Where this yellow dot is, you want to click there. And then be on the lookout. See this dark patch here is jump leaves. So we're going to jump over the leaves. Okay. And then we're going to click right about here where this big old boulder is. and turn your camera so you can see what you're doing. Now, right down here is a booby trap. Between these two rocks is a step over tripwire. I almost always get hit by these things, so make sure that if you're a lower level player that you have some anti-poison with you. I'm not a lower level player. It doesn't really do that much damage. And then you see this pathway here. Just follow this path over here. And this path is going to take you to a clearing where there's some elves over here half the time. Now here you've got your magic trees, and there's your elder tree. Now where to? We are going to go to the Tree Gnome Stronghold southeast of the Gnome Ball Field. So let's go ahead and put this as our north camera again. And this lodestone is the Eagle's Peak lodestone. You're going to use that lodestone twice, so we're going to click on that, and it's going to take us there. And then there are two elder trees over here, one north of there and one southeast of there. Okay, so we're going to go southeast. See this little arrow right here is a stile. We're going to climb over that stile. Click. And then we're going to click right about here where my mouse is. So that's a crystal tree. And then right around here, there we go, is our elder tree. There's our elder tree. Let's just go back to where we came from instead of teleporting. Doesn't take long to get over there. Climb back over the stile. And we're gonna travel Kathy Corkett. Okay. And then we're gonna go just to the west of here. On the map, you're going to see blue ground. That is where ethereal magic trees are. And then just south of here, there's our ethereal magic trees. And this tree right here is our very last elder tree. Alright, so that's the end of this series. I hope you enjoyed this video. So the very next video will be on a different type of tree. It'll probably be crystal trees or magic trees. But yeah, so if you are playing RuneScape and you need the elder trees for some reason, this is how to find all the elder trees in RuneScape. Now that doesn't mean they're not going to add additional elder trees at some point, but this is the entire list of elder trees to this point. Have a great one.